Yes, my viewers and subscriber. Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Guys, today, we just want to discuss and talk to everybody about what really, I want to ask a question, But before me ask a question, I want to big up a few YouTubers. First, I want to say big respect. Big respect to Oliver Lifestyle. Enough respect. Color Smith. Rodney. How are you there? Me still a smile for you. Still a laugh for you. Yes. Myself, K Grant Official TV. Yeah, man. Ocean and Nova. No say a word. Peace and love. Maki Adventure. One love, my brother. One of them day, we go link. Channel is I'm Such a Sagittarius. Yeah, man. And Mendez TV, no say a word. Roxanne, where you going with? How you stay? Remember, guys, go check out them. Roxanne, British. Yeah, man, she always in the kitchen. Go and go check them out. Guys, I want to discuss something. In other words, guys, me tired. Yeah, man, me tired, man. You see me in my colors today. Yeah, you see me in my colors. Boy, I mean in my colors. I mean in my colors with a heavy heart. Yes, guys, me in my colors with a heavy heart. And what me want to talk about today is Jamaican man. I mean, I talk nothing about no Jamaican man and this and that. Me I talk about Jamaican man and what them a do, what them a go on with. My viewers and subscriber, me tired. Me fed up. Me don't know what else word for use. Yeah, man. There's something have to be done, something must done about this. You imagine every day me wake up, I reach out to the news, check the media. A Jamaican must in the news. Yeah, must in the news, man. But guess what in the news I do? Them a interfere with little pitney. Them a trouble little pitney. Them a trouble big people. Them a unalive grown people. Them a scam woman. Them a disrespect woman. Them a disgrace woman. Them a put down woman. Them a dirt woman. For what? Oh, I forgot. No, me not forgot. Them a grape woman. Them a MOLES. We down the road there. Liquor pitney, liquor kids. So what we go do about that? Where we go do about that? Guys, you see this here? Yeah, man. A purple heart. Yes, down in the comment, I want everybody to put a purple heart for the victim. And any which part you go, any channel you go on, and you write a comment, put a purple heart when you're done. For the victim. Yeah, for all of the victims them. Whether if them analyze or them MOL, me not spell out the whole thing, me I say. Or if them grape, yeah man, purple heart for the victim. Make we start the movement now. Yeah man, make we start the movement, because this I get from bad to worse. Now my viewers and subscribers, at daytime I get up and I start my journey. And I have two channel, not my channel, two channel when me go up and forget me news. Because my news is about Jamaica. I want to know what going on in Jamaica. Yes, man. I want to know what going on in Jamaica, man. All when me did it, I want to know what going on in Jamaica. All when me not did it, I want to know what going on in Jamaica. Last week? Yeah, man. I think last week. Yes. Last week, Thursday. Me check one of my favorite. Because I have two. News channel. The two news channel we have. One, Popeye News Link. Yes. Popeye News Link. And the next one, on the spot, news, media. Me just love when him say that thing. Anyway, me not go say it like him because me can't. Them two channels me watch forget me news. So boom, me go up on the spot. I'm here on the spot I talk about something. Yeah. I said to myself, what you say? I listen to on the spot Popeye. And Popeye bring the news about this British citizen, this British lady. I tell you the truth, say, me sit down, you know. And I said to myself, say, the other day, a lady was married to a Jamaican, will live in Canada, come to Jamaica, come visit her husband, and the husband unalive her. In the same portion of talking, the YouTube girl was unalive by her boyfriend. So I said to myself, hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. What really happened? Then you hear another one. Then one of the biggest news, Beach is stout. Him take a whole bunch. Yeah, him take a whole bunch. Then you turn around, Beachy Stout's son in a Texas, unalive him wife. So I said to myself, hold on, man, hold on a little bit, hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. What happened? I sit down and I scratch me and I say, why this no sound good? Then all of a sudden, me thinking in my brain, and I say, hold on. They not only a unalive them. Boom, you have Seymour allegedly interfere with the 13-year-old. We live in a house with him. And me ask Father Jesus, say, Father Jesus, what happened? By the time me ask Father Jesus what happened, right in the midst of the situation with Seymour and allegedly MOL, yes, you know your word. Then you have 7 schoolboy, grape, the schoolgirl. In my head, my viewers and subscribers, in my head, I say, hold on a little bit, man. Hold on a little bit, man. The Jamaican then get mad, or then crazy, or I saw them turn long time. So me do a video, and to my surprise, one lady said to me, Rodney, you're living in denial. Me ask her why she said that. She said to me, say, you never know, say, them something in our genes. So, me say, with genes? What do you mean, we? Genes. Me say, in for me. Me say to her, say, in for me genes. If you know somebody else gene, in for me. She said to me, say, think back. How long them something happen? How long them things are going? But you couldn't know about it because you never have the social media. You never have the smartphones. Me scratch me head and me say to her, say, you know what true? Because to be honest, it's true. My question is, my viewers and subscribers, me Jamaican, me American, me Canada, which part on the day in the world? Because I know only Jamaica alone it a go on. What we go do to fix it? This morning, me go over TikTok, over the place over there, so where everything happen. And me jump on a live. And when me jump on the live, then me that talk about a lady will get beat up. Yesterday, this lady get the man beat her up again. So they might discuss that. My viewers and subscriber, a man come on the live and the man said, some of these women is the cause of it. My viewers and subscriber, me sit down there for a little bit. And then me tell them, say me cannot stay in the live anymore. I remove myself from the live. And the reason why me remove myself from the live is because me cannot sit down and listen to a man say the woman them is the cause of the problem. So I remove myself from the live. My viewers and subscriber, 64-year-old lady come to Jamaica, find a man, married to him, only to know, if she didn't know, said that where her demise is going to come, she would not stop there, sir. So for a man to say the woman is the cause of the problem, jump away from that. Last week, Saturday, there was an event, big event, the TikTokers. Maya, a man went over, shot her a box. Like, that's her child. No, my viewers and subscribers. Why? Why Jamaican men are getting so aggressive towards the ladies? Hold on, stick a pin. The other day there was a leak video, a leak voice note of a man calling another man, threatening him, telling him he go beat him if he don't come give him what? Give him. So you telling me that's why the Jamaican man, most of them, not all of them, because me know say I know all of my Jamaican brothers, them stay that the way there. So you tell me, say, as they say gone, man I wear crop top, and I talk about a style. You have open them man there can do whatever they want, but then them not get the box, you know. But then the woman them a get box, and the woman them a get alive. What happened? What happened to the Jamaican man them where love girls? What happened to the Jamaican man where anytime they open them out, girls is all over them? What happened to them man there? Oh, them man they hold out now. So I know the younger generation will take over. Oh, you mean the younger generation will take over something else? My viewers and subscribers right now, me tired, man. Me tired. When me go over on the spot and listen to the news, them boom on the spot I said, Jesus have mercy. Yesterday, no, Monday, the lady sent her daughter, her 14-year-old daughter, to go buy pizza with her 45-year-old cousin. they drive to Ochireyas, buy the pizza, and then way back, the 45-year-old cousin, Ron White is his name, give the 14-year-old the car to drive. Pepper up. She drive the car. She said, him tell her, say, drive over the ball field. Our cousin said, no problem. Because she want to learn, she want to drive, able to drive good. She drive, go over there. Only if you know, say, when she drive, go over there, Ron White take off her clothes, strip down naked. Yes, strip down naked in the vehicle with him. Listen good. With him cousin. Him cousin is him and the mother, a cousin, and the mother, daughter, and cousin, daughter, then go a store with. God is good. Guess what happened? He get a knock on the car window. Yes, man. Knock on the car window. Come. When he open the door, guess who we see out there? Not the police. The police. Yes, man. The police. Two of them in the vehicle. Naked as it there. Them born. When the police ask question, him get the only thing happen. Him get him finger go up in there. Me not gonna be too vulgar with it. But him slit a finger. He never do nothing else. It was getting down to that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, that's your cousin. That's a 14-year-old girl. Her mother send you and your cousin to go buy pizza to eat. You tell me there's something wrong with them, man? As a matter of fact, I think nothing wrong with them. Because what happens now is as soon as somebody do something, then start to talk about how they're mentally disturbed, how they have a problem in their brain. They don't have no problem. Them just wicked. Them just wicked. They just want to find a place and put them in a lock it up. Lego to alligator in there. Yeah. Yes, man. No medical, no. Hey. Listen me now. Me never meant to say listen me now. Me mad, me upset. Too much. Too much a go on. Too much a happen. Too much of this, man. Every turn you turn, a Jamaican in the news. Yeah, every turn you turn, a Jamaican in the news. Women in the news for? All sort of something. But under what circumstances? You just an unalive woman? You just a beat woman? You just a MOL? Kids? Everything that's bad when it come on to woman, Jamaicans thick and thin in it. My viewers and subscribers, me upset even more when the judge Lego release the 7 boy. Them case, them should come back at court February. So, listen me now. So, Boxing Day, then can get to go run around. Boxing Night, then can get to run up and down. Do what they want. Who knows what they go do again to a next person? Christmas, then can't get to eat Christmas dinner at home. Then get to do all kind of something. New Year's Eve, then can't get to ring in the new year. And that little girl knowingly say, this thing fresh. This thing will continuously talk it all over Facebook, all over Instagram, all over social media. But she have to bear the pain. She have to bear the pain while them walk free out the door. Well, for now, but at the same time, them a walk free out the door. And can do whatever them feel. So in other words is, the law not really protect the woman them. The man them not protect the woman them. So who are going to protect the woman them? Eh? Who is going to protect the woman them? Who going to protect them? Well, me I try. But what me can do? Talk. Make awareness. Bring awareness. Hopefully, try to start a movement. We can help women to come out and speak out. My viewers and subscribers, hear what I say. Make we start this movement. Make we do this movement. Purple art. 1 purple art. 2 purple art. 3 purple art. 4 purple art. Remember, in the US Army, when you get a purple art, our bravery, yes. We have to give them something. Let me tell you something. Big up yourself, Roxanne Kitchen. Big up yourself. Much love to all of the victims them out there. Whether if, hey, tell us something you say. Me depend, me make my video, post up my video. And I see some people come on my video and I talk some things. And I tell me how my bad mind, this dirty boy. This boy where I touch people, I touch little pitney. Me not have no time for that. Yeah, me not have no time for that. But we need to do something. Yeah, we need to get this purple art movement going. Because a full time now, it stopped. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that is what me I talk about. We have to talk about them things. We can't just sit down and make it just fly every day. No, it can't work. We have to do something. We have to do something about it. Every time you watch the news, listen to the news, is shoot. MOL, unalive. Couple months ago, they used to find the children them are missing. You not find none of them unless you find them unalive. It have to stop, man. Yeah, man, it have to stop. We have to find some way to stop this thing. Some way to put out awareness out there. Some way to... We have to build a platform where we can have people come, people talk, people say what happened to them. We have to find a safe haven. Again, we have another problem. And the other problem what we have is the people who do not believe these people about the abuse that they might get. Let's say, for instance, Samar, stepdaughter, went to the school and said, this is what is happening to me at my home. They call the police. The police come, ask her a lot of questions. The questions that the police asked was sincerely, was good, was well ready for them to make an arrest. They make an arrest. They break mugshot police report. But you have thousands of people under the guy live. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. When them start to call her, liar. Yes, man, everybody pan them channel start to say the little girl is a liar. I lie them a tell pan say more. Yeah. The mother just keep life going. Like everything is alright. But at the same time, everything not alright because within them people body, them people I feel pain. When me talk about and my viewers and subscribers, me talk till me don't like this. Yeah, man, me don't like this. Me don't like this at all. We need to do something. Make we start the movement. Purple Heart movement for all victims. All of the victims. Them. Yeah, man. Jamaican man, and I saw. Jamaican men's, boys. Yeah, man, and I saw you go. Even if people tell me about, oh yeah, it used to happen a long time. Me never see them used to happen still. So, me now go say, yes, it used to happen a long time. It did happen. Yes, it did happen. But me never see. Me never see so much woman are unalive by them husband, by them man, by them boyfriend. The person was supposed to protect them away from other people is the person who them shouldn't watch, but them would never watch that person. Yeah, man. My viewers and subscriber. Anyway. Until next time. Like the video. Share the video. And remember, comment with a purple heart. Purple heart is for the victims. And any channel you go, post a purple heart for the Purple Heart movement, for the victims. Anyway, peace. I'm out.